I'm at 1237 Washington, Unit 812. This is in the plaza. This is in the west bank of the flats. This building's got a center skylight that, so it's open to all the floors. So pretty dramatic space. Let's head in. It's a one bedroom. So when you walk in, you got the hallway going down. This is an extra wide opening to the bedroom. This unit was customized when it was first built, so it's a little different than the rest of them. It's got glass doors with obscured glass, pocket doors. I don't know if any other unit has these, especially in one bedroom. So that's nice. And the big wide opening is very nice too, because if you don't need them, you have this nice wide opening into your bedroom. Good size room. End unit, which makes a big difference because you have a window in your bedroom. So that is key. Big closet, includes washer and dryer. Lots of area for storage. Tile walls, floor to ceiling in the bathroom. I love it. Concrete counter. Again, that was a customization by the original buyer of this unit. Again, obscured glass door, tile shower, extra deep tub, low profile toilet. There is coat closet. This is utility closet in here. We don't need to see that. And then you walk in and bam, wide open spaces. Again, corner unit, so you got two sides of all glass. This floor, the windows actually start to angle out. I don't know if you can kind of pick up on that. So the glass facing north, which is what I'm looking at now, it starts to angle. There you go, you can see it over there. It gives it's not that much more space, but I'll tell you, it makes a big difference, and it's a cool effect. Obviously, amazing view of the flats. It's planes, trains, and automobiles. You can see everything going on. Big ships coming down the river. It's a nice little balcony. Got a working area. It's big enough for a nice big sectional working area, table for dining, and this great kitchen. Again, concrete counters. And then the fridge is tucked away. Again, this was all customized by the original buyer. So you're not gonna find many units in this building, especially one bedrooms, with this level of customization.